Hi beauties! For today's video is magta-try tayo ng 2 weeks face yoga massage. This is to slow down the signs of skin aging since as you can see, I have fine lines here. Ayan. Dito. Obviously, yan makikita nyo. Wala naman tayong filter kaya ayan, kitang-kita nyo yung aking mga fine lines. So, first, maglalagay lang ako ng enough amount and maglalagay tayo sa ating face. So, isasabay ko na din itong aking neck. Been doing this for 3 days na. Ayan. So, first, to reduce yung ating smile lines or droopy lips, kailangan nating i-relax to. And then, on the other side. And then, second is dito. So, ang gagawin natin is igaganyan lang natin siya. Then, drag papunta sa corner ng ating ears. Minsan, I'm using this technique. And to lessen the eye bags. Just make sure pag ginagawa nyo to is gumagamit kayo ng oil or moisturizer. And then, dito naman sa fine lines, so, dito naman sa jaw is para ma-prevent natin yung double chin. So, ayan, tapos na tayo sa ating face yoga massage. Ayan, so abangan niyo yung aking mga follow-up videos on this 2 weeks face yoga massage challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Stay pretty!